Hi guys, today I'm going to encounter you were kicked from the game error code 267. Before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. Yeah, this error may occur due to the game restriction or cheat detection or unstable internet connection or firewall interference or app glitches. So let's start to fix it. Our first step is to check and troubleshoot the internet connection. For that, you need to enter into your settings following troubleshoot and click other troubleshoot, and you may see the network and internet. You need to run the command on network and internet. Just click run, and sometimes if you had any issues you may show the another pop-up like it was detecting. So on that way you can troubleshoot it. If you have not have any issue, in the sense sometimes this tab may displayed on your system, just reset and restart the adapter. Yeah, after that you need to click restart your modem and router and access point. It shows unplug your modem or router. You need to unplug and plug in your router. Once this done, and the second step is to allow Roblox through Windows Firewall. For that you need to press Windows or type control firewall.cpl and hit enter. And note that this step is work only if you have downloaded the Roblox on Microsoft Store, and it will not work for while you are installed from the browser. In that, click allow an app through Windows Defender Firewall and find Roblox and ensure private and public boxes are checked. If you are installed from the browser, the Roblox won't show over there. Once you click OK, restart your PC, and our third step is to clear Roblox cache. For that you need to press Windows R and type percentage local app data percentage. Yeah, then search for Roblox folder and enter into the Roblox folder and delete client settings. Once you deleted the client settings, just restart your PC and the next step, fourth step, is to restart browser settings. For that you need to enter into your Chrome browser. This step is useful for who you're using the Roblox in your browser. And then enter into your settings, scroll down and you may see the reset setting. Just press the reset setting, click it and click the reset setting over there. Once you're done, also enter into the extension and disable the extension which is supporting the Roblox like AdBlock, Tempera Monkey, Blockstrap and VPN add-ons. Once you're done, enter into the privacy and settings and clear the cache data, cookies, and if you need you can clear browsing history too. And the cache and cookie is important in this step. The next step, fifth step, is flush DNS and reset network. For that you need to enter into your command prompt, run as administrator and type ipconfigure flush DNS ipconfigure release renew, which is shown on the video. Just type and run it. And once you're done, type exit and hit enter, and then restart your PC. I hope the issue will be solved. Thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube.